So we landed yesterday morning. We spent the day kind of relaxing, getting to know our area around our hotel. We checked into the Renaissance Hotel, which is absolutely gorgeous. Our room
so nice.
is so beautiful.
Our view.
Yeah, and our view is absolutely breathtaking. We'll be doing some exciting stuff today. I think we're going to Al-Fahidi Souq.
Yeah, that's what
I think
we're
that's
going
what
right
it's
now.
called. And then we're heading to Dubai Mall, of course. We have to go see that. And then BURJ Khalifa.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to see that.
And we also have acrobatics show, I believe.
Yeah.
So that will be exciting. And yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
Of people just randomly bumped into Jasmine and they want to be in our vlog.
We have Dawoud, Hala, and Mara. Yes, they came and said hi all the way in Dubai. That's so amazing. Hi guys.
Hello.
Can you tell how excited I am?
You are so short.
We are going into the tallest building in the world. It's called the BURJ Khalifa.
We're about to go up it. We're stoked and we're excited for it. You excited?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bomb picture.
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Just went to see PERLE.
Which is an acrobatics kind of theatrical show. It was super cool. These guys are so strong.
They are so strong.
It makes me want to get back into air.
Yeah, she's into that stuff. And I'm so tired.
We're so tired. We've been up since 4 a.m. Jet lag is so real.
Yeah, it hit us hard. So that makes up for day 2. We're going back to the hotel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go pass out. Wake up early, go to the gym,
day 3,
and start our day 3. But Dubai is amazing. So, this is day 3. Look who came to join me.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
We are going on a yacht ride, which I'm super excited for.
Yeah.
And what else are we doing? We're going to the spa.
And then we're going to the Global Village thing.
Yeah, we're going to Global Village, which I'm really excited for because I want to have some Turkish ice cream.
Turkish ice cream, what's that? Oh, I'm gonna get this guy. Just grab his hand or something.
I don't think you'll be able to do it.
Okay, but yeah.
We'll see, challenge accepted. We're on the yacht right now. There's Dawoud. And it's incredibly beautiful. Look at our view. And we haven't even gotten to the best part. Thank you. You guys want to say hi to the camera? Hi. Hey. Woohoo. About to finish our yacht ride. It was absolutely amazing, so relaxing. We got to capture some really cool footage. We're gonna head to our next part of our trip, which is actually to the spa to get a massage, I believe. So we'll keep you updated on how that goes. I'm so excited. I haven't had a massage in so long. luxurious and fancy schmancy in my life. But I don't know, I felt like I actually never had a full body massage before.
Oh.
So that was my first experience with a full body massage.
That was my first experience too.
And let's just say it was so worth it. It's so nice.
It is so nice.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to Global Village. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
So it's day 4 in Dubai, and today is going to be a jam-packed day. We have the Sea Wings airplane flight that we're gonna go on, and then we are going to a water park. Woo! Why are you hating? And then after that, we're gonna grab some dinner, maybe go to a cafe or lounge, right?
Yeah.
And we'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, that's our day. Outside right now, and I know I'm gonna look back at this footage and be like, man, I wish I was there. So future Jasmine, haha.
Good morning, everybody. Today is our last day in Dubai. We got to go to something called the Dubai Frame. It apparently shows like the view of downtown Dubai, where you see everything in the frame. So I think that's pretty cool. And then, where's the other place we're going to, Jasmine?
Green Planet.
We're going to a place called the Green Palette.
Green Planet.
Not Palette. We're going to a place called the Green Planet. She kept talking about sloths. I don't know what.
Indoor rainforest with sloths and snakes and crickets and spiders.
I don't know what a sloth is, so.
You know what a sloth is?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Huh. I can be Patrick Star sometimes. After.
And And then after that, we're going to the desert safari. Hey guys, so we just took an Uber all the way to the Dubai frame. Can you guys see that? It's insanely large.
We weren't expecting that.
Yeah. I thought it would be, I don't know why I thought it would be skinnier. And there's like an elevator that you go all the way up. And it's clear.
How do you know there's an elevator?
Right there. That's the elevator.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you can see
crazy.
like every single floor.
Some crazy footage right
Yeah. And then you get to walk across this clear, these clear floors where you get to see right underneath you.
I just ate soup.
I think he's gonna poop himself. Right now, and essentially what the guy at the front told us the frame concept is that it's meant to kind of bridge old Dubai and new Dubai together, and so we're at the top right now, the top level, and this is what old Dubai looked like. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's basically like all like very neutral sandy type of colored buildings, and they're all very flat and like same levels. There's not many skyscrapers or large buildings, but if you walk to this side, from walking to the other side of the frame, you'll see a whole different look of Dubai, which is basically supposed to represent Dubai currently and what the future holds. So let's see.
Pretty cool.
So very, very, very different